Let's assemble a grapple truck. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the grapple truck. Press the pump. Done! Let's dig a foundation pit to start the construction of a subway. We need to wash the grapple truck. Amazing! We need to assemble a road header. We did it! And now we need to fuel the road header. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's start making a subway tunnel. Let's weld a crack on the road header. That's all. Let's grind the welding seam. Keep up the good work. Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the That's all. We need to assemble a switcher locomotive. Keep it up. And now we need to fuel the switcher locomotive. Pump. Amazing! A lot of soil was left after the construction of the tunnel. Let's bring it into the surface. Let's wash the switcher locomotive. Amazing! We need to assemble the crane. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the crane. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's lay the rails for the subway train. Let's weld a crack on the crane. You're doing really great. Let's grind the welding seam. Don't stop. Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun. We did it. Let's assemble an auto crane. Ready. Let's fuel the auto crane. Pump. Don't stop. Let's install supports for a trestle bridge. Let's wash the auto crane. Keep it up. Let's assemble a bridge building machine. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the bridge building machine. Press the pump. That's all. Let's lay concrete blocks between the spans. Let's weld a crack on the bridge building machine. We did it! Let's grind the welding seam. Keep it up. Choose the same color as in the cloud to... You're doing really great. Let's assemble a rail welding train. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the rail welding train. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's weld the seams between rails after laying. We need to wash the rail welding train. Amazing! Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. You're doing really great. And now let's load the materials for the platform into the crane with cargo bed. Amazing! Let's place the floor slabs for the future subway station. We need to fix a crack on the crane with cargo bed. Don't stop. Let's grind the welding seam. We did it! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint. Ready. Let's assemble the flat car. Keep it up. Let's load the steel structural elements onto the flat car. Keep it up. Let's install the structural elements of the subway station. We need to wash the flat car. Ready.